What's up, guys? Welcome back to another at-home exercise. So today we're going to use the ladder, and if a lot of you guys don't have ladders at home, it is okay. You can actually draw a ladder on a sidewalk and you'll be fine. So just so you know, we'll be using the ladder. These exercises we're going to start from top to bottom, and what I mean by that is we're going to start with the upper body first, using our upper body, and then we'll go down to the lower body. The entire time you're going to be engaging your abs. Please don't forget to always suck in, hold them in. If you suck in those abs, they kind of give you more support, and then you'll be able to hold yourself and do these exercises a lot longer. So let's get started. The first one you're going to do is you're just going to walk the ladder from there all the way to the end. So let's get started. We are going to do this 2 times, then we rest 15 seconds, then we do the second exercise 2 times, rest 15 seconds. You guys kind of get it. So here we go.
It's been way too long, I've been building walls around me. Keep my distance so you never know too much about me. Trying to keep you out cause I love my safe space. But the problem is I never looked into my
Rest 15 seconds. Do it again. All right, so after you've rested 15 seconds, guys, like we usually do, so you'll go 1 across. Again, that's 1 set. You rest 15 seconds, right? We'll do it again. Rest 15 seconds. You'll do it a 3rd time around, rest 15 seconds. After you do it 3 times, then you'll take a 1-minute break before moving on to the next exercise. So, here we go. Rest 15 seconds. This is our 3rd round before taking that 1-minute break, okay? So here we go.
Soundstripe.
Rest that minute. Moving on.
Soundstripe.
For the next exercise, guys, it's very similar. So I'm going to demonstrate before we get started so that you guys can actually see my hand placement before we actually do the exercise. So we're here. This is the inside of the ladder. We're going to go in, out, push the legs. In, out, when you're using the tippy toes of your legs, you're almost like dragging your feet like how you do military crawl. So just kind of keep that in mind so you can drag that lower body. So let's get started, guys. Here we go, starting now. It's in, out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in. Out, out. Let's do it again. Here we go.
Soundstripe.
Rest 15 seconds. Back at it for 2 more rounds. Here we go. All right, guys. Rest 15 seconds. Round 3. And then we're moving on to the lower body. Crazy thing is we're only doing 2 exercises for the upper body, but the fact that we're doing so many rounds, it adds up. So here we go.
Soundstripe.
All right, guys. Round 3. Here we go. And then we rest for 1 minute. So, ready? Let's go.
Soundstripe.
And keep dragging your weight. Here we go.
Soundstripe.
One more time. Here we go.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Rest 1 minute.
It's been way too long, I've been building walls around me. Keep my distance so you never know too much about me. Trying to keep you out cause I love my safe space. But the problem is I never looked into my own face. Am I ashamed of myself? Am I afraid of my emotions? Am I ashamed of myself? Am I afraid of my emotions? We let it go, will you hold it inside? It's hard to take the blame, I know it doesn't feel right. We let it go, will you hold it inside? You're more than just your past, you're more than what you realize. We let it go, will you hold it inside? It's hard to take the blame, I know.
Now we're going to the lower body. Here we go. All right, guys. So for the next one, we're going to play hopscotch. Easy as it sounds. We've all done this. All right, guys. 15-second rest. We're back at it. Woo! 15 seconds. Last round. Here we go. Last round, guys. We got it. Here we go. Rest that minute. We're moving on. All right, this next one's gonna be a little bit of a sequence. So, I'm gonna demonstrate first for you guys so that you can do it. and I'm gonna count it out loud, or say it out loud, the actual movement, so that you can kind of say that to yourself. So let's try it. It's jump out, jump out, jump out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, out, in, out, in, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, out, in, out, in, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sounds dry.
Keep my distance so you never know too much about me. Trying to keep you out 'cause I love my safe space.
15 seconds.
Problem is I never looked into my own face. Am I ashamed of myself? Am I afraid of my emotions? Am I ashamed of myself? Am I afraid of my emotions? Yeah. Will you let it go? Will you hold it inside? It's hard to take the blame. I know it doesn't feel right. Will you let it go? Will you hold it inside? You're more than just your past. You're more than what you realize. Will you let it go? Will you hold it inside? It's hard to take the blame. I know it doesn't feel right. Will you let it go?
It's our last one. And it's our burnout. So we're only gonna do this 3 times, but we're resting 10 seconds only. So, if you're in great weather outside right now, I'm so jelly of you. If you're in Houston, Texas, then you feel my pain, because it's almost 1 p.m. here. I'm sorry, almost 12 p.m. here, and it is hot and humid. So, for our last exercise, we are going to start up in a plank like this, and we're gonna go in, out, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. In, out, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, out, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sounds dry.
Last one. Rest 10 seconds. And we're back at it. It's our last exercise. Let's make it good, guys. Here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, up. In, out, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're almost there. 7,
Sounds dry.
8, 9, and 10. Woo! Woo! All right, guys. Let me catch my breath here. Woo! All right. So, there's no equipment needed. Just this little ladder. Even if you don't have a ladder, like I said, you can draw one out. If you want to know how many little bars these are, it's 11 of them. So you could kind of draw your ladder based on that. Anyhow, thank you so much for working out with me. As you can see, I'm still out of breath. But guys, these exercises are killer if you actually work through them. Guys, if 15 seconds seems like it's too short of a break for you, do 30 seconds. But whatever you do, please don't exceed 45-second rest, because the goal of this is to keep your heart rate up, because we're trying to do an all-body workout in addition to some cardio movements here. So it's important that we keep that heart pumping and we keep the heart rate up. So that's the reason for the 15-second break. But if that's too short for you guys, remember I always tell you, only you know your body, only you know what you can handle. I'm here to educate you and I'm here to work out with you. So you have to modify it based on how you feel and how things are working. But whatever you do, just don't cheat yourself. Always push yourself. Remember, if you don't push yourself, you're never gonna see progress. So the important thing is for you to always continue to push yourself and tell yourself mentally, I can. It's not hard, I can. The minute you tell yourself, ooh, that's too hard, I can't, you've already told your body you're not gonna be able to do it. So before you get started on your workout, make sure you say, I'm ready, I'm gonna kick ass, I wanna be healthy, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna push through it. I can do this. Say that to yourself every time. I can, I will. With that being said, thank you guys again for working out with me. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next workout.